Hi, I'm Daniel from Kunini. Today we're going to look at a solar hybrid system. This is a 5 kilowatt inverter with a 10 kilowatt battery. I'm going to show you all about the components and we're going to talk about the benefits of having a solar hybrid system. Let's go and take a look. Okay, so here we are, we've got the 𝗶𝗱. This is the 5 kilowatt single phase hybrid inverter. And it's really a good system because it's the new generation of alphas. The first generation was also, they're always 5 kilowatts, but they're getting better and better every time they bring out a new generation. This generation has got something quite special where you can actually add up to 10 kilowatts of solar PV to this 5 kilowatt inverter. The benefit of doing that is that we can use one string to directly charge DC to DC for the battery, and the other string can go into the inverter and then power the house loads. So it's a great system. The other benefits as well is we can take 3 of these inverters together as a parallel system to create a 15 kilowatt single phase system, and we can add up to 6 batteries onto the system as well. So we've got quite a small, powerful system, which is ideal for any residences, small homes, or even small businesses. Okay, another critical component that should be installed in any hybrid system is your ATS panel. And I'll open this up and explain to you a little bit about what we've got here. This is really just a fail-safe, and it's installed really just to take care in case there's an issue with the inverter and the battery and it has to shut down. If we think of a situation where we've got the inverter and the battery is providing the critical loads to your house. If there was a problem with the inverter and the battery and these components were to shut down for any particular reason, your house wouldn't have any power. But with the ATS panel, what we've got is we've got a fail-safe, because if the inverter was to shut down, this would automatically switch over to grid, so that your grid power then would be providing power to your critical loads. That's the only reason why we install it. Not all installers install an ATS panel, but we believe it's a critical component and it should be installed for every job. Why install a solar hybrid system, and what benefits does it have for you? Installing a solar hybrid system gives you the peace of mind and security should the grid go down at any time. With our solar hybrid system, you need to build a critical load panel. And the idea with the critical load panel is to take any item in your property that you want to have in an emergency. And those things typically are lighting, refrigeration, some sockets for fans, internet, maybe a small aircon and a water pump so you can have a shower. We don't put large items onto the backup panel or the critical load panel, and that's because it will drain the battery quickly. So we need to really consider what our critical loads are. If we look at a typical critical load panel on a 5 kilowatt system and we're trying to keep it around 2 to 3 kilowatts, that means we're going to get 3 or 4 hours of backup time with a 10 kilowatt hour battery. This is the ideal. These are solar hybrid systems, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next video.